Welcome to the Kemp IT Law vlog. I'm Richard Kemp, and this vlog looks at core software systems agreements for law firms. Whether it's a practice or a document or a case management system, and whether the system is on premises or in the cloud, and whether because of current system end of life or new technology, law firms are increasingly in the market for new core software systems. The practice management system, for example, is at the beating heart of the firm, and putting in a new one is a really complex exercise. Data must be converted and users migrated from the old to the new system. And all the time this must happen in flight, as client work must go on without interruption. Law firm technology providers' contracts tend to be long on their rights and the firm's duties, but short on their duties and the firm's rights. For the provider, the contract is about probability theory. It has any number in the field and wants to avoid disputes, so its emphasis is on generics, high-level, general contract terms. But the firm looks at it through the other end of the telescope. It only wants this one system which is absolutely central to its operations. So the firm's watchwords are specifics and granularity. The firm wants detailed, granular commitments to ensure it gets the three things that the customer in any project agreement wants: that the solution is put in on time, on budget, and to the right standard. And there's a balance to be struck here. The provider will look to move the pieces around the board to its own advantage, locking in pricing in return for getting the agreement signed by a particular date, getting the project detail agreed after signature, for example. But firms need to get clear contractual commitments around things like continuity of key provider personnel during development and implementation, adherence to good project management and governance, and robust acceptance testing tied to payment and key project milestones. Firms should also recognise that the provider reasonably expects that the firm will also do its bit and commit reasonable resources to the project, typically also when these resources have their day jobs to do as well. But if the firm can make these commitments, it'll make it easier in turn to hold the provider's feet to the fire and ensure the provider delivers a successful project. If you'd like to find out more, check out our website at kempitlaw.com.